special delivery.
Okay guys, Carty&Carty here with another one on the table, and this one is a massive, I think. Take it out of the take it apart. This is the massive bar. Yeah, this is a massive, and this is the, oh wow, sorry guys, massive, and this is the V1000.4. Yes guys, so yep, and this is in for repair. It's not pouring on, so I was here checking around and find out it's had a lot of loose circuit, a lot of dry solder. The solder they use is like poor solder. It doesn't have a lot of flux in it. So then I was looking at the poor section here and there. Let me see, this is the, yeah, this is the plus. And I don't know if you guys can see, but it's right here. Let me see if I can get, yeah. There's a break in the solder. Uh-oh. It's not showing up that good here. But this, like, yeah, it does have a break in the solder, yeah. I see like it's showing up now. You could see that little ring around it, yeah. It had a break in the solder, so me, I think that's the problem with this one. Yeah, that could be all that happened to it, because I check output, everything is okay. But that break in the solder they use is like, and by putting poor wire and removing and adding, that's what caused it. So guys, yeah, that's it. So this one uses the regular 3637 MOSFET, I think A1941 and C5198. You have for output, and it's a 4 channels, two go to each other, two for one channel, two that for the channel here, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's how it works, guys. And these caps for the power supply is 25 volts, 2020 microfarad. It's a little simple layout circuit, the regular switch on IC here, which is a TL494, and many little toroid transformer, really sturdy. Yeah, this is a powerful little massive amplifier for 4. Yeah, it's a nice little one. Fuses are okay, both fuses are okay, and yeah, nice little circuit. Yeah, clean little circuit board, clean. But the solder they use is, it's kind of dry, it doesn't have enough flux. Solder going through the board and solder some loose joints that I see, and some strengthening some of the solder work that's here, which is, they do very poorly. So they're making them a little bit stronger. And yeah, my daughter is in the background, guys. If you hear any noise, that's making a lot of noise. So that's it. So I'm gonna do that, guys. Then I go through, try to pour it up and see if anything, and give it a little bench test. Yes, guys. So just stay tuned, stay watching, and okay, sure you're not gonna use the table. I'm using the table. Yeah, I'm using the table. You're gonna have to wait, okay? You're gonna have to wait. See what I'm talking about, guys? Oh boy. Oh man, it's a lot of solder work, guys. A lot. When I do solder work, guys, I would solder all of the board. That's just me. I just like to make sure everything is okay. No hiccups. I just don't want anything to worry about at the end of the day. Like, oh man, if I did solder that one or something, but I just make sure I go through the board and solder everything that's loose and straighten the ones that are not. Yeah. You guys, so I'm gonna do some hooking up when I get back with you guys. Okay, guys, let's try and do a pour up here. Everything seems to be okay. If everything is okay here. Oh yeah, we get a blue light, guys. We do get a, oh, that's a beautiful blue light. Yep, check the voltage on the outputs and see all is well. Yeah, 24 volts. If you guys see, if you guys can see that, yeah, see that glare out. So positive, so and that's the 24 volts negative. It should be 24 volts positive. Yeah, 24 volts positive. I mean, 24 volts negative. Yeah, on the other side, yeah, that'll be 24 volts negative and positive, and positive, yeah, negative. Do this for, let me see, positive, it should be positive and it should be negative. Perfect. So guys, that's it. I'm gonna give it a bench test. Little, but everything is good, all is well. You could see, pause up. That's the blue light. It's glowy. That's like the regular one. Yeah, I like this one, blue kind of blue. So that's it, guys. Just the little, you know, guys, just that little break in the saddle right here, and throw you off with these a lot of amplifiers like that. I even get what what would I say, taram. Yeah, I get a taram with that problem, guys. Impossible, because those are, I don't know, but I guess they replace, take it up, put it in a lot, Hold on, guys, give me a minute here, Okay, guys, doing some, see if I can do a little bench test here. All right, switch it on, see. I don't know what side is working. This what? So let me do a little bench test here, guys. Oh yeah, you guys can see the blue light is on. Yeah, do it like that. Let me put the speaker line here. It's It doesn't matter where I put the speaker, you guys know already that I'm doing. Alright. Let me see here now. You can get anything out of this thing. That side is not where this thing is hooked up to, so it's this the other side. Okay, guys, you can hear. I think this would be for this one. Yeah. So it's out of the chassis, guys, so I don't want to run these transistors too warm, but that's it for this, guys. All is well and done, so all is well. So that's it, guys, for this Carty&Carty how to know with the repair of this V1000 massive amplifier 4-channel in V1000.4. It's all good and everything's working fine, guys. And thank you guys for watching. I really, please like, subscribe if you like what you see, and stay tuned. There's a lot more coming your way, guys. A lot more good stuff. So yeah, like I say, see you guys. The thing is good. Nice little circuit board. Very nice circuit board. Very, very nice. Okay, guys, that's it. I'm going to tell you that. Oh, guys, I forgot to tell you the power supply MOSFET it uses. It's just the SW50NO6, and that's the same as the IRF44N, guys. So nothing, these cap right here by the power supply input, these caps are 35 volts, 1000 microfarad or 1000 UF. Yes, guys, and that's about it for this one, guys. And thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe if you like what you see. Stay tuned. Carty&Carty, stay tuned for the next one. I'm out for now.
Special delivery.